If you are new, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive regular notifications about my videos regarding job updates or computer science topic that I make. Hello guys, I am Parinita and welcome back to my channel to polish your CSE concepts with me. So let's get started. In today's video, we are again going to see one topic of compiler design. Actually, we are going to see a commonly asked type of question. So let's see the question first. Draw LL1 parsing table for the following grammar. One grammar is given and also told that check the validity of the string. One string is given, that is A, C, D, B. So what they are telling, they have given one grammar. Based on this grammar, we have to draw LL1 parsing table, as well as after drawing that table, what we have to do is we have to check the validity of the string ACDB based on the grammar or based on the table. Fine. If you have seen my previous compiler design videos, you must be aware that we have already seen the examples of all the parsers. We have learned them in detail. I hope you have understood them easily. We have seen the example of LL1 parser also. We have taken one grammar and I have shown you completely that based on the grammar how we can draw LL1 table, how we can determine whether the given grammar is LL1 or not. We have already seen those things. Fine. So in this video, my particular aim is to show you how to check the validity of any string based on the given grammar. So this is my main aim of this video. So as I told, we have already discussed those things. I hope you already know these things, and in case you don't know and you want to see them again, I will give the link in the description. You can go and check it first. How to find out the first and follow, how to draw the LL1 parsing table. We have learned all these things in very detail. Fine. So here what I have done, here I have already written the first and follow for you. I have already found out those things, and I have also drawn the LL1 parsing table based on this first and follow set, like we normally do, right? So that this video, I don't want this video to be very long unnecessarily, because you already know these things, right? So I have already found out these things for you, because they have asked it, draw LL1 parsing table. So this is my LL1 parsing table. So if you have seen those videos, I will suggest you to cover this thing, to try this thing yourself, and then just come here and check it out, that whether you have found out first and follow set properly or not, and whether you have drawn this LL1 parsing table correctly or not. Fine. Now after completing this, what our main task is, based on this grammar, they have given us one string and we have to show we have to see that whether this given string is valid string or not as per this grammar. So how to do it? So again we will make one table, or just say we want 3 columns for it. One is for stack, one is for input, and one is for moves. Moves, or you can say actions, which will be what are the actions that we have to take after every step. Fine. So this is an important thing to understand. We will do it with the help of stack, and as you know, I am assuming that you must be knowing the basic operations on stack, that is push and pop, right? Push means we are entering something into the stack, and pop means we are taking out something from the stack. And as you know, in stack we are using last in first out method. Fine. So I guess these things are enough. Now we can start. Now how to do it? The string that is given to us is ACDB. So in the input section, or in the input column, we will start with ACDB. ACDB. And always at the end of the string, we will append $1. Fine. So the first row in my input will be ACDB $. And what will be the initial row in stack? Always the stack will consist of $1. By default, we will have to consider that. And with $, we will be having our starting symbol. So what is starting symbol here? S. So $S will be in the first row of stack. In the first row of input, our string will be there. And okay, so that's it. Now I will show you one by one how we have to do it. In move, what my first move will be, see how we have to check it, that here I have to check my first symbol, and after every step my aim should be, I have to go on removing this one terminals, because when I can say that, see, we will start with this, and when I can say that my string is valid or my string is successfully parsed. How I can say that? At the end, my stack should contain only dollar and my input string should also contain only dollar. Means all these four should go away and only dollar should be there in stack as well as in input. So we can, at that time I can say that my string is valid. Fine. So let's start. First of all, I am having the terminal small a. So what I can do, and here only s is there, only my starting symbol is there. So my first move should be replacing this s with its production. So my first move will be s gives a b b. So what I will do, I will replace this s with its production, that is a b b. And what will be there in my input symbol? Currently I have not done anything, so my input symbol will be as it is. Fine. Now, okay, sorry. See, my input symbol I have not done anything, so my input symbol will be as it is. But here in the stack, see, this you got it, that what we will do, we will replace s with a b b. So this will be my action. But what happens in stack? In stack, when I want to replace s in place of s, when I want to write these things, what I have to do, this is stack. Remember that thing, this is stack. So what I have to do, I have to take one symbol from the right hand side and I have to push them into my stack. So first of all, this is a very important point to remember, right? So first of all, I will take this small b and I will push it in the stack, then capital B. Right, from this right side we are going on pushing one symbol into the stack, then capital A and then small a. Fine, okay, that's it. Now in stack and input, I will see I can cancel it out, this input string with this stack, right? So yes, this will be done. So what will be remaining in the next step? Here this thing will be remaining. Okay, in this only this much will be remaining. And if I cancel out this a from both the sides, let's not write this now. If I cancel out this a from both the sides, now what should be my next move? Here what I am having in the top of the stack, capital A. So what I can do in the next step, I know that as I told, we have to keep on seeing the first thing in the input string. Now my first thing is C, right? So what I want C this side also. So now I am having capital A. For getting this small c, what I can do, I can replace A with C. So what I will write here, A to C. So in place of A, I can replace C now. I will push this C into my stack. And here already A is gone, so C, D, B is there. Now in the next step, we can see that again C is there. C will go out. What is left here? I am having D as my first symbol in input, and here in the top of the stack I am having capital B. What I want here also, I want D. So how I can bring D here? B gives D. So my action should be B gives D. Here I will get D in place of this B, and here C is cancelled out. What is remaining? DB dollar. Fine, now this DD will be gone. Okay, now okay, DD is cancelled out, right? Fine. Acha, what you can do is, here we have written this, and after that what is the second step? We have merged two steps. You can make them separate step also. In this step what we have done, we have replaced A with C. In place of A we have written C, as well as we have popped out small a. In this case what we have done, we have popped out small c. Fine. Similarly, in this case what we have done here, we have popped out small d. Fine. So what we are remaining with, here we are remaining with $B, here we are remaining with $B. So obviously the last step we have to do is pop B. So here I am left with only $, here also I am left with only $. So my final state is there. So as we have only $, in both the cases, I can say that my given string, that is ACBD, is accepted by this grammar. Fine. So this is that simple to do. But as I told, the only thing we can do is, here as I told, I have merged two steps here. You can do one by one. Means in the first step only replacing In the first step, you can only do the replacement of this, and in the second step, you can show pop. In the first step, you can show this, and in the second step, you can show pop. Like this, you will get 2 more steps, but we have done in shortcut. This is also fine. It's just that your understanding should be clear. Fine, so this is very easy. In place of this, you can if they are giving any big string also, then also we are completely fine with it. You just have to remember this thing. And the most important step to remember, as I told here, is whenever in move we are having one production and now you are pushing that in the stack, don't write this as it is. Like here mistake I have also done, A, B, B. Don't write like this as it is. What we have to do, we have to put or push one by one symbol. So this B will be pushed first, then capital B, then capital A, and then small a. Just keep these minor things in mind and then you will not go wrong. Fine. So this is all about topic. I hope you have understood it. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and put your like and comment in this video. Thank you so much.